Welcome to another math problem of the week. A sequence with power of 3 or sum of distinct power of 3. Let's talk about it. Now note that this sequence consists of the power of 3, that is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, or the sum of distinct power of 3. This is 1 plus 3, this is 1 plus 9, this is 3 plus 9, this is 1 plus 3 plus 9. Arranged in increasing order. Now we are asked to find the 123rd term of the sequence. And the options given are A, 1081, B, 1084, C, 1090, and D, 1093. What do you think?
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now, when you write 1 as 3 to the power 0, and we are done, and 3 is 3 to the power 1. 4, it can be written as 3 power 0 plus 3 to the power 1, and 9 is 3 to the power 2. 10 is 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 0. 12 is 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 1, and 13 is 3 power 2 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power of 0. Now when we look at all this number, it is similar to what we have in binary form. That is, 1 is equals to 1 base 2, and 2 is equals to 1, 0 base 2. 3 equals to 1, 1 base 2. 4 equals to 1, 0, 0 base 2. What is mean here is this is 2 to the power 0, and this is 2 to the power 1. This is 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0, and this 2 to the power 2. And if we continue all the terms here, then we see that it has a 1, 1 corresponding form. Example, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th terms. So for 7th term, 7 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2. That is 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0. So it corresponding to 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 0. So now this question can be easily by writing 1, 2, 3 in binary form. It is 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 and plus 1. And therefore this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. And therefore the corresponding number that we have in this sequence should be... If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, power 3. So that should be 3 to the power 6 plus 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power of 0. So after we do all the calculation, this is 1084. So for this question, we find a nice relation for the number in this sequence and the number in binary form. And therefore, we can get the answer by using this method. And for now, let's look at other people's solution. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next Tuesday. Bye bye.